this little bird out into the world is why I'm proud of you. You hide behind your eyes, wicked thoughts of self-demise. That's why I'm scared for you, and I'd fly if you'd want me to. 'Cause you shy away, scared to sing the words you could only say. You hold back the river and you hold back the pain. Hopeless little bird, you're okay. Hopeless little bird, stricken by the nerve that no one else can see. Careful where you land. What looks like earth could be quicksand, and you'll find it hard to breathe as you sink so far from me. 'Cause you shy away, scared to be who you are, flying your own way, and you hold back the river, so you hold back your mind. Hopeless little bird, look how you shine. It's hard to know who really cares. The winds they howl, strip you bare. Stormy seas can breathe new air, and you'll be there. So hopeless little bird, remember it's love you deserve, and you have that from me. Up, up and away, you'll be there someday, and it won't be hard to breathe, and you'll be flying free. So don't shy away, or be scared of who you are, flying your own way. No, run for the river instead of running from your mind. Hopeless little bird, look how you fly.